Hello, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Morning, all of you. Good morning. Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How was yesterday's test? कैसा था कल का टेस्ट?
I'm very good.
Easy question. Questions तो बहुत
Yes, ma'am.
straightforward.
Questions
Yes.
were very easy.
Questions very easy.
But
हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम के लिए यहाँ पैकिंग तक प्रिपेयर कर लेना और वो स्नेक एंड द मिरर दैट चैप्टर लीव आउट लेक आइल ऑफ इनिस्फ्री यू लीव आउट because then you have 5 chapters. Like 6 chapters. Okay. That we will discuss later on the portion for half yearly because the portion has to be similar in all the sections. So I have to consult the other teachers also. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जो पढ़ाई हुआ है उसको प्रिपेयर करते जाओ और क्या. So we were almost at the end of the chapter. What kind of dog is Montmorency? Akriti? Akriti, batao, what kind of dog is Montmorency? Akriti? I can see your name in the participants. Akriti, answer? Who will answer? Kishan Kumar hai? Hello?
can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Raj. Okay, Aditya Raj answer. Aditya?
Ma'am, Montmorency was very disturbing dog. He disturbing his.
Yes. Yes, very good. Continue. Montmorency was.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, let first let him answer. Let Aditya
Okay,
answer.
ma'am.
Then let Aditya answer. Okay, Aditya, you continue. Montmorency was a very disturbing dog. Okay, Shreyasi, you want to answer? Shreyasi?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
me.
Okay. अद्वित अच्छा ठीक है श्रेयसी को करने दो उसके बाद तुमको भी चांस देंगे.
Ma'am,
श्रेयसी
Montmorency was a mischievous dog. His ambition in life was to get in the way and can be strong at. He always make nuisance and make people mad and have things thrown at his head. Then he feels that his day has not been wasted.
yes Montmorency's what is his aim in life? What is Montmorency's aim in life?
To get scolded by everyone.
Yes, Advait, correct. He to disturb others and get scolded and beaten. Montmorency का दिन
Yes.
तब तक सफल नहीं होता है जब तक उसे डांट नहीं पड़ती है, जब तक उसे मार नहीं पड़ती है, तब तक उसको लगता है कि उसका दिन तो बर्बाद हो गया. So Montmorency is very naughty and mischievous dog. And what kind of nuisance he creates in the packing? क्या क्या उसने disturbance? Anuj answer करो.
Feed all the lemons as rat and go into the basket of food and spoiled everything.
Yes, he treated the lemons as rats. Means what? He started running after the lemons. He started running after the lemons, and he spoiled 2 or 3 lemons. After that, he got in the basket, and whenever the
He also put his leg into the jam.
yes, very good. Yes, he spoiled the jam also. That is also mentioned in the story. He put his leg in the bottle of jam and spoiled it. And whenever what he did is he sat on the things. He sat on the things, and whenever the two friends stretched out their hand to put something inside the basket, what came in their hand? जब भी वो हाथ बढ़ा के कोई सामान लेने की कोशिश करते तो हाथ में क्या आता था?
What the damn news of
Damn no.
Yes, Bhavya, the answer sheet that you sent yesterday, I'm not able to view it. So you send it.
Okay,
once
ma'am.
again. Send it once again.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know what is the problem, but I was not able to view your answer sheet. So piles of plates and cups. ये सब तो हो गया. The two friends doing the packing, writer enjoying everything mismanaged. Okay, what difficulty came in the packing of the butter? Bhavya, you answer. Bhavya, can you hear me? Hello. What difficulty came in the packing of the butter? How butter became a mystery for the friends? Who will answer? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One answer karega. Anushka.
George turned and he trod on the butter.
Okay. George trod on the butter.
George turned.
Yes. 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 Continue. Continue. You can take the help of the book.
I did not say anything. I did not say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir cannot be.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, George trod on the butter.
Sugandh answer
Ma'am,
karo.
firstly, just trod on the butter. After
trod on
God
the
has
butter.
brought
George
out
trod on
his
the
slipper.
butter.
ऐसे नहीं. Sugandh एक answer करो. Sugandh Kumar, you answer. Can you answer? Sugandh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. When George went to pack the butter, he trod on the butter, and it was stuck to his back.
Okay. Yes. The butter got he trod on the butter. He removed the butter and put it on the table, and then he put it on the chair, and then he sat on the chair by mistake, unknowingly, and the butter got stuck to his back.
It stuck to him.
And the two friends, they started searching the butter throughout the room. How would they get it? The butter is stuck at the back, and then after
Yes,
after a long period of time, they saw that the butter was stuck at the back of Harris. So the packing of the butter, it became very mysterious for them.
Yes, ma'am.
And then Montmorency's personality is described in detail. Montmorency is very, very mischievous dog, and all the time he creates mischief, and he makes people mad with anger. You can see George trying to hit him with a frying pan, and Montmorency doesn't feel bad that he's a naughty dog. He feels very proud of himself. When he does mischievous things and people beat and scold him, then his pride becomes quite unbearable. What is the meaning of conceit? Conceit means
Here his pride in himself.
Here.
Here is pride and him.
conceit here
Pride.
जैसे कि मैं
Pride in himself.
as I've told you, in English you have contextual meanings. So that is why it is written here. Is paragraph mein conceit means his pride in himself. Conceit. Okay. Then stumble means what? Stumble. बताए थे उस दिन.
Fall.
Yes.
Fall.
Stumble means to fall. all. Pretended means what? Pretended. Pretend karna.
To act like something.
Advit, what is the meaning of pretend? Answer.
Ma'am, try to be something
Yes,
or to act like this.
act like something. Yes, correct, Advit. So, and what did his other two friends think when the dog started doing all kinds of mischief? What did Harris and George think when the dog started
They
creating?
thought that the narrator had encouraged him.
Yes, Pragya, very good. The two friends thought that the narrator was encouraging the dog, but narrator says कि Montmorency जैसे dog को कोई प्रोत्साहन की जरूरत नहीं होती है. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. Encouragement मतलब प्रोत्साहन. It's all the natural quality making mischief. By what time was the packing complete?
At 12:50.
12:50.
So packing became a very tedious job, very difficult job for all the three friends, for the writer as well as for George and Harris. And everyone was tired. By the time they completed their packing, everyone was extremely tired. So everyone was ready for bed. We were all ready for bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night, and we went upstairs. So usually the three friends slept separately, but Harris was to sleep with us that night. So everyone went upstairs to sleep. We tossed for beds, and Harris had to sleep with me. Harris had to sleep with the narrator. The narrator, Jim. Jim is his short name. Full name is Jerome K. Jerome. He is the narrator, the writer. So Harris and the narrator had to share the beds. Do you prefer the inside or the outside, Jay? So Harris asked him which side he would prefer to sleep, inside or outside. Means in the corner of the bed or on the outer corner of the bed. I said I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. And narrator says that he prefers to sleep inside a bed, on the wall side, inside a bed. Harris said it was odd. Odd means what? What's the meaning of odd?
Ma'am, alag.
Strange.
Different.
I'm strange.
Odd even hota hai, wo alag hai.
Ma'am,
Ye odd
different.
means strange. So Harris is
Different.
very strange. क्योंकि ज्यादातर लोग जो है आउटसाइड स्लीप करना पसंद करते हैं, निकलने में आसानी होती है, फ्री जैसा लगता है. बट Harris said it's very strange that the narrator wanted to sleep inside. George said, what time shall I wake you fellows? And then next morning they had to begin their journey. Next morning only at 10 o'clock they had to begin their journey. So George volunteered to wake everyone in time. George ने कहा कि मैं सबको टाइम पे जगा दूंगा. किस टाइम पे जगाऊं सबको? What time shall I wake you fellows? Harris said 7. So Harris said that if they wake up at 7 o'clock, they can get ready, because by 10 they have to reach the station. Harris said 7. I said no, 6, because I wanted to write some letters. Now here there is a difference of opinion. Harris को 7 बजे उठना है, narrator को 6 बजे उठना है, क्योंकि narrator को कुछ letters भी लिखने थे. No, 6, because I wanted to write some letters. Harris and I had a bit of row. Row here means fight. As a row, argument you can say. Row मतलब कतार भी होता है ना, line, but contextual. Here in this context, row means argument. So there was an argument between the narrator and Harris regarding the time at which they should wake up. Harris said 7 and narrator said 6, and then there was a bit of argument, जैसे दोस्तों में होता है छोटी छोटी बातों पर. But at last split the difference and said 6:30. So last the agreement came. They agreed to midpoint. The difference was split. And what was the time fixed for waking up? 6:30. दोनों के बीच का time. 6:30. Wake us at 6:30, George, we said. तो नरेटर और हैरिस ने दोनों ने जॉर्ज को कहा कि उनको 6:30 में उठा दें. George made no answer, and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. And George was so tired that he did not even wait for the answer. He went to bed and he felt asleep. So we placed the bath where we could tumble into in. So they placed the bath. Bath here means the bathtub. कि तुरंत बाथ टब को जो है वहीं पर रख दिया कि सुबह उठते ही वो तुरंत नहाने में टाइम नहीं लगे, बाथ टब रेडी हो. Where we could tumble into it on getting out in the morning. So they placed the bathtub just beside their bed so that no time is wasted in searching the bathtub. Immediately in the morning when they will wake up, they will brush their teeth and take the bath. So that is the end of the chapter. Question answers देख लेते हैं. How many characters are there in the narrative?
3.
And there are 3 characters, 4 characters.
4 characters. हाँ, ये यहाँ देखो क्या लिखा हुआ कि डॉग को भी एक कैरेक्टर ही मानते हैं. Don't forget the dog. Montmorency is also one of the characters. So there are 3 characters in the story. George, Harris, Jim. You can say his name is mentioned as J. You can write Jim or Jerome K. Jerome. Both are correct. So why did the narrator volunteer to do the packing? Volunteer क्यों किया?
And I'm the dog.
हाँ? Who will answer? एक कोई answer.
Ma'am, because he thought that he can do better than other people.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I answer?
Yes, Pragya, your answer is correct. So he volunteered. Volunteer क्यों किया? Packing करने का. He thought he was the best packer. He was very good at packing. He had a false opinion of himself. ऐसा सही में था कि वो बहुत अच्छा था packing में.
No,
Was
ma'am.
it true that he was a very
No,
good
ma'am.
No, there is no evidence in the story that he was a good packer. He did not remember
Yes, ma'am.
where he had
No.
packed the toothbrush. So, and he forgot many things, Harris's boot and other. So he was not a good packer, but he had a false opinion of himself. How did George and Harris react to this?
George and
George
Harris
over the easy chair.
rapidly
Harris cocked his leg on the
Accept.
table.
Who will answer? एक answer करो नहीं तो आदित्य राज answer.
Can I?
Who? किसको?
George and Harris accepted the narrator's suggestion
Yes, very good.
and kept them leg on the sofa.
Yes, George and Harris accepted the narrator's suggestion. George and Harris accepted the narrator's suggestion, started relaxing. Then we have the second part of the question. Ye accepted the narrator's suggestion happily. बहुत खुश हो गए दोनों. Accepted the narrator's suggestion happily and started relaxing. And they started relaxing. Did Jerome like the reaction? इसका कौन आंसर देगा?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I
Wait,
answer?
wait. Shreyasi, you have also answered. I want some new students.
Ma'am, can I?
Can
Pragya,
I?
you have also answered many times. Pragya,
Can I?
Can I, ma'am?
Aditya Raj,
Ma'am, can I?
Anuj आज आंसर. Kishan आंसर नहीं किया. Kishan Kumar, can you hear me? Hello. Kishan Kumar, can you hear me? Some of you join the classes and go away somewhere else. Anuj answer करो. Kishan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो. Did Jerome like the reaction? तो उसके दोनों दोस्त जो है वो रिलैक्स करने लगे. नरेटर को क्या ये अच्छा लगा?
No, ma'am.
Why it takes so much time for you to answer?
Can I?
Okay,
I
Aditya.
was there.
Same student.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, Jerome did not like the reaction.
Ma'am, their
Jerome did not like the
reaction irritated Jerome.
Yes, Shreyasi. Yeah. There.
Jerome did not like.
Anuj, you want to
Jerome
answer? Okay,
intended to
Anuj.
do these things.
Okay, Anuj, continue.
He thought that things and George and Harris will potter about,
Yes.
but this wouldn't happen, and they relaxing.
Okay, that is also the answer of the fourth question. What was Jerome's real intention? जो अभी तुम बताया वो उसका.
Ma'am,
चलो आदित्य आंसर.
can I?
तो आंसर.
He should boss the job.
Jerome
Bhavya,
real intention.
Let Bhavya answer. She hasn't answered today. Bhavya, you want to answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, answer. What was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack?
He should
Okay. Yes, answer.
he
Bhavya.
should boss the job, and that Harris and George should do some unimportant things under his directions.
Yes, very good, Bhavya. Yes, your answer is correct. Jerome's real intention was that he will put his hands in the pocket and act as a boss and supervisor, and his other two friends will follow his instructions. So that was his real instruction, that he will act like a boss, and George and Harris will potter about carrying on his instructions. That was his real intention. Then we come to the fifth question. What did Harris say after the bag was shut and strapped? Harris ने क्या कहा?
Ain't you?
Can I?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Advait answer करो. Advait.
Ain't you going to put the boots in?
Yes. He asked about his boots. He asked, ain't you? He asked whether he had packed his boots. Why do you think he waited till then to ask?
To irritate the
Ma'am, to
narrator.
irritate the narrator.
Ma'am, his intention to irritate the narrator.
Yes, very good. He asked whether he had packed. जानबूझ के वो वेट किया कि नरेटर बहुत अपने आप को अच्छा पैकर समझ रहा था ना, तो intentionally and deliberately they waited till the bag was packed to irritate, to annoy and irritate the narrator. To annoy and irritate the narrator. To annoy and irritate. What horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later?
Toothbrush.
The horrible
Pragya, wait. Pragya, Pragya. अच्छा, अनुष्का आंसर करो. Anushka, horrible idea occurred.
The horrible idea that occurred to Jerome a little.
Yes,
मैम आप कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, क्या?
The horrible idea that
Continue, Anushka.
the horrible idea that occurred to Jerome. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Jerome a little later was whether he had packed his toothbrush or not.
Yes, very
Whenever he traveled, he could never remember if he had packed his toothbrush or not. This thought haunted him and made his life a misery.
Yes, whether he had packed his toothbrush. Whether he had packed the toothbrush.
His toothbrush.
Yes. The next question is, where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? बहुत मुश्किल.
He found it inside a boot.
Jerry finally
Okay, inside the boot.
found the toothbrush in the boot.
Jerome found his toothbrush inside a boot.
When he put.
Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag?
Because he had
Find his toothbrush.
spectacles in it.
Because his spectacles is inside the bag, so he had to reopen the bag.
He had packed his spectacles. Spectacles की तो जरूरत last moment तक उसको थी. He had packed his spectacles. What did George and Harris offer to pack and why? रुको बोल. Who will answer? One person.
Can I?
Aditya, you have answered many questions. दूसरे उन्होंने नहीं आंसर किया वो वॉलंटियर करो.
I can
ने भी आंसर किया. श्रेयसी, अनुष्का, ये लोग ने आंसर किया.
Ma'am, may I?
Advit, you have also answered.
May I?
Adit,
Ma'am, may I?
I want new students. न्यू कोई
Ma'am,
नहीं
Advait.
आ रहा है. बहुत गलत बात है. कोई कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ही आंसर करेंगे, बाकी लोग क्या? कौन सा ये डिफिकल्ट? आदित्य
Ma'am, may I?
प्रताप. आदित्य प्रताप. Aditya Pratap.
George and Harris
Yes.
hampers. It was getting late and they thought their Jerome had taken too much time. They also wanted to show their skill too.
Yes, Aditya. Correct answer. Yes, Aditya. What did they offer to pack the food hampers, food baskets? Because the narrator was tired. Why? Why का क्या होगा? Because
They wanted to show Jerome how to do back.
They decided to
they wanted to prove themselves.
reset themselves.
Wanted to prove themselves better packers. Huh? Wanted to prove
Yes, ma'am.
themselves as better packers. As better packers. Then, while packing the hamper, George and Harris do a number of foolish and funny things. Tick the statements that are true. They started with breaking the cup. Sahi hai?
Yes,
Ma'am.
They also broke a plate. Plate
Yes,
thoda
ma'am.
tha, nahi thoda.
False.
No, ma'am.
False.
False. Then they squashed a tomato.
True.
Yes, ma'am. True.
टोमेटो तो ये जैम का बॉटल रख दिया था ना टोमेटो पे. They had put the bottle of jam on the tomato.
Yes, ma'am.
So they squashed. They trod on the butter.
True.
Yes, ma'am.
True.
They stepped on a banana.
False.
Banana is not mentioned in the story. Banana का तो कहीं जिक्र नहीं आया. They put things behind them and
False.
couldn't find them.
True.
False.
True.
ये
True.
I'm true.
ये story में mention है कि they put the things behind them and couldn't find them. They stepped on things.
True.
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 What else they stepped? Yeah, they packed the pictures at the bottom and put heavy things.
False.
False.
Food basket है इसमें picture तो they upset almost everything.
I'm true.
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 They were good at packing.
Not at all.
False.
पढ़ा एकदम नहीं.
False.
What does Jerome say Montmorency's ambition in life? Montmorency के life का क्या लक्ष्य है?
May I answer?
Montmorency
Yeah.
ambition
Okay, Advait answer.
life.
Advait.
Montmorency.
Ma'am, can I?
अच्छा अद्वित को आंसर करने तो सबको तो चांस.
Let me answer.
Okay, Advait.
Montmorency's aim in life was to create problems in the way of others and to get scolded for it.
Yes. Create problems. Create problems for others. Get scolded and beaten. Get scolded and beaten. अब तुम्हारा अपना ओपिनियन है देना है. What do you think of Montmorency? You don't have to take anything from the story. तुम क्या सोचते हो Montmorency के बारे में? पर्सनल है और क्यों?
He was very naughty dog.
Very not dog.
I mean, he was
He was very mischievous
mischievous
because
dog.
he always created problems for peoples.
Just he
I
was.
mean, he will create nuisance.
Ma'am, he was not wanted.
अपना ओपिनियन दे देना. ऐसे जनरल यही होगा कि he was a mischievous dog.
Because he always created problem for other peoples.
And always wanted to create problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Wanted to irritate and anger others. So these are all long type questions. In your examination also you will get 2 long type questions. Do you know? One question from Beehive and one long type question from the other book, Moments. So you have to practice long type question also, 100 to 150 words. It may be a value based
Okay,
question
ma'am.
or it may not be. Value based जैसा ही आएगा. ऐसे 8 मार्क्स का वैल्यू बेस्ड ही रहता है ज्यादातर. हर चैप्टर से कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर सीखते हैं. So these are discuss in groups and answer the following question in 2 or 3 paragraphs. These are long type answers. You can do it by yourself. Of the 3, Jerome, George and Harris, who do you think? ये तुम्हारा अपना ये है. अपने तुमको एनालाइज करना है. तुमको क्या लगता है कि नरेटर खराब पैकर था, अच्छा पैकर था, बेस्ट कौन था, वर्स्ट कौन था? डिटेल्स.
Ma'am, neither of them were
Harris.
Harris.
Ma'am, Harris is the worst packer.
Ma'am, they
Harris
all
was the
were worst.
ये
Was the
देखो.
best.
But no one is the best packer.
Details from the text. स्टोरी से
Ma'am, no one is
एग्जांपल्स
the
नोट
best
करना
packer.
है कि हैरिस जो है वो वर्स्ट पैकर क्यों था. वो बटर पे बैठ गया, बटर पे पैर रख दिया और चीजों को फूड बास्केट जैसा आसान पैकिंग भी नहीं कर पाया. तो मॉन्टमोरेंसी के सारे मिसचिफ को लिखना है. कंट्रीब्यूट टू द पैकिंग. कंट्रीब्यूट मींस इन अ ह्यूमरस वे. कंट्रीब्यूट मतलब उसका कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन, किस तरह का कंट्रीब्यूशन था, डिस्टर्ब करने में ना. तो ये क्वेश्चन कंट्रीब्यूट मींस you have to just write all the nuisance and mischiefs he created. Nuisance and troubles. वो jam, he put his leg on the bottle of jam. He started running after the lemons as if they were rats. He sat in the basket. He sat on the things. ये सारा चीज लिखना है. Contribute means here disturb. Contribute तो वो कुछ किया नहीं, nuisance ही create किया, तो वही सब लिखना है. So and this also is a long answer. 150 to 100 and 100 to 150. 100 minimum होना चाहिए और maximum 150. 100 भी है तो ठीक है. Doesn't matter even if it is 100. Do you find this story funny? Story is of course very
Yes,
funny.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ह्यूमरस एलिमेंट्स,
Yes, ma'am.
ह्यूमरस एलिमेंट्स तो बहुत सारे हैं, कैसे वो टूथब्रश
And
जो
all
है,
the characters.
ऑल द
Ma'am, we found
तो ये 3 ह्यूमरस एलिमेंट्स के बारे में लिखना है. Think about what happens as well as how it is described. So these 3 are 100 words answers, minimum 100. 100 है तो ठीक है. It's not necessary that it should be 150. 150 is the highest limit. So your homework is to do the question answer.
Ma'am, these questions.
Yeah.
Ma'am, question number 3 we will have to write in homework copy.
हाँ सारा कर लेना.
Okay, ma'am.
Do question answers in copy. Copy. This is your homework for today. Okay, our class ends here. So आगे
have
से
a nice day, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Good day to all of you. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye all of you.
Have a nice
अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी मोटिवेट करना क्लास में, और मुझे पार्टिसिपेशन चाहिए. पार्टिसिपेशन कम हो रहा है और कुछ लोग आंसर भी नहीं करते. अनन्या, अंजलि, ध्रुव, कृति गुप्ता, आयुष मेहरा. Why these students don't answer at all? Amit Kumar. Why you people don't answer? Easy questions are only asked, that also from the chapters only. You can keep your book open.